Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to find and read messages on WhatsApp apps. So if you're struggling that you couldn't find or sort your WhatsApp messages that you unread in the past night or in the last 7 days, here how to doing that. You just open your WhatsApp and then you can click this magnifier or search icon, and then as you can see there are suggestions from this search box, so you can choose either this is unread like this. See, this is the unread messages. I can sort all my unread messages and I can reply it one by one, and then that's it. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.